So I'm going to be trying out these new lashes from Kiss. This is from the Sister Nature collection. I showed you guys in my Ulta haul. I don't know if you saw it, but I bought a bunch of lashes to try on. I did get two different styles. This one is the Kiss Sister Nature in Sage. They look so pretty. I love fluffy, long, not too long, definitely curled, like it has to be curled. The name is Sage, and it says these are fluffy and wispy finish, 100% natural hair, easy to wear, easy on the planet. Adhesive sold separately. Do have many different styles in this Sister Nature collection, but I thought these Sage ones looked really pretty. I always leave everything I talk about in the description in case you want to check it out. Just click on show more and I'll let you know. And before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. How pretty. There's like 5 in this collection, and I picked this one, and I also got Storm. Okay, they do look a bit different. We'll see which one is better. So I'll be making a video for Storm as well. They actually have an invisible band. So let's go ahead and take them out gently. How pretty. How pretty. They don't look super full, so I don't know how much I will like them. You just never know until you apply it. They don't look super full, but maybe this is exactly what you're looking for. And you see it has a nice curl to them. The band like this, so they're not like super straight, and it fits the eye better. So I'm just gonna see here if there's any trimming that needs to be done. Oh my god, these look so pretty just trying it out like that, but we'll see. So I'm not gonna trim it. My favorite lash glue is also from Kiss, is this one. This is the black version, but they also sell it in transparent. I was gonna say translucent. Alright, so let me go ahead and put them on, and then I'll tell you what I think. How do they feel? Was it easy to apply? Do they feel heavy? Okay. And of course, if you were going to trim right away, you would do it from this end. You don't want to ever trim from here because you will damage the style of the lash. Just like to use this eyelash applicator. So the reason that I use this lash glue in black is because I always have eyeliner, so I think it like blends really well. But obviously, if you don't put it, then black would not be a good idea. Just letting it dry a bit, letting it get tacky for about 30-40 seconds. Okay, this looks so gorgeous. It was not hard to put. They do not feel heavy. Okay, sometimes the band can make them feel really heavy. It does not feel heavy. If you never wore lashes, it will feel a little uncomfortable, okay, if you're not used to it, but not as much as others. Super lightweight, and I can't wait to try the other one out. I really like this style. I ordered these online, so I had no idea, you know, how it was gonna look. Just first impressions, I can see myself like definitely repurchasing these. It's very hard for me to like buy lashes and like repurchase it again. And forget about the softness. These are super soft. They don't feel plastic, you know, how some could feel plastic. These feel super soft. So soft. Like, I don't even want to take these off. I'm serious. I'm really happy about these. I don't know if these Storm are gonna be able to beat these. Fluffy 3D look. I don't know. Leave a playlist of all the lashes that I have reviewed if you're obsessed with lashes like me, but this is so gorgeous. Let me just show you here some. So I really have to take care of these. I can be like really bad with lashes, take them off, then I find them everywhere. No, I really have to take care of these because I want to get a lot of use out of them. Just gotta be very gentle with them, okay? They're really thin, so be careful when you take them like out of the packaging. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!